Concerns this evening from the Police Federation about the proposed location for the Criminal Records Office. The leadership visited the site on Orange Street, downtown Kingston today and gave it a failing grade. They're waiting to see improvements before giving their members the green light to work at the location. The Criminal Records Department on Duke Street was shut earlier this week by the Health Ministry. More from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
On any other day, these moving trucks would risk getting towed if they parked along the restricted area marked yellow in downtown Kingston. But today, they were welcomed. That's because they were there to help bring relief to suffering police officers by relocating them. The police were housed at Duke Street in a sick building, which served as the Criminal Records Department. But the office and the workers are being relocated to Orange Street, at an office previously used by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC. But something wasn't right. The telltale were these masks. The officers did not want to risk their health by going into the Orange Street location because of several things, including a dust nuisance. Members of the Police Federation were present to oversee the relocation. They explained the workers' objection with this suggested location.
We have taken photographs and videos of the facility. I've shared it with my executive, who are equally concerned. We have been assured that enough work or substantial work will be done to have the building in a state of readiness. After those work are done, we will come back, make an assessment before our members can enter. The Police Federation stand ready to stand at the doors of this building to make an assessment before our members go in. If the building is not ready to be occupied by our members, they will not be occupying this facility if it is not ready or conducive for their proper functioning.
The Police Federation is urging the government to consider a location befitting a unit like the Criminal Records Department, which is a major revenue earner for the state.
The previous police department was there and moved. One of the information, or part of the information that will form our assessment is why did that police department move and what has been the condition of the facility since they moved. Has the conditions deteriorated? When this office is one of the largest income generating entities within the country. This office generates almost $1 billion per year. The country, the government can do better, right? As a country, we can do better to build a proper building, state-of-the-art building for our members to work in and carry out the functions that they can carry out.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.